Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve blank desktop after logging in. So let's begin. First, in your Windows, if you are experiencing a blank screen after logging in, may signal a broken Explorer process or corrupted shell files. Running SFC scan now repairs these essential parts of the interface. So yeah, it may be blank or just a black screen. So go ahead right over here, click on the Windows Start button. Next, type CMD, command prompt, make sure to run as the admin. A new window will pop up and just type SFC scan now. Just follow me over here. Hit enter. Your Then it will begin scanning the entire PC for any corrupted files. Once this hits 100%, it will show a message that it has successfully repaired such files. Then you may close, refresh, restart your computer. Then all of those corrupted files should now be fixed. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.